If you drive a diesel, you know your engine is a beast, powerful, efficient, and built to last. But even the toughest engines need a little love to keep them running at their best. That's where diesel fuel additives come in. They clean, protect, and optimize your fuel system, making sure your engine stays smooth, efficient, and, most importantly, doesn't decide to retire early. Whether you're looking to improve fuel economy, prevent injector problems, or keep your diesel from turning into a block of ice in the winter, there's an additive for you. We've rounded up 9 of the best options to help you make the right choice. And as always, the links to all the products are in the description below. First up, we have the Archoil Diesel Fuel System Kit AR6500. This is like a spa day for your fuel system. It deep cleans injectors, improves fuel efficiency, and even helps reduce emissions. And no, that's not just some marketing nonsense. It actually works by improving combustion, which means less unburned fuel going out of the exhaust. People who use it often notice their diesel idling smoother, responding better to acceleration, and even regenerating less often in vehicles with a diesel particulate filter. If your truck has been feeling tired lately, this might be the wake-up call it needs. Moving on to Sta-bil Diesel Fuel Stabilizer, the ultimate solution for those who don't drive their diesel daily or who store fuel for long periods. You might be wondering if this really keeps diesel fresh or if it's just an overpriced bottle of hope. The good news is, it absolutely works. It prevents fuel breakdown for up to 12 months, meaning no more worrying about nasty sludge forming in your tank. And here's something fun. Well, fun if you enjoy not having problems. This also helps prevent rough starts after storage by keeping fuel clean and moisture-free. If you've ever tried starting an engine that's been sitting for months and it sounded like it was summoning demons, this will save you from that horror. Now, let's talk about Hot Shot's secret everyday diesel treatment, an all-in-one solution that improves lubricity, boosts cetane, and keeps injectors spotless. Some might wonder if using an additive daily is overkill. The answer? Only if you enjoy paying for expensive repairs later. Regular use of this stuff can prevent costly fuel system problems down the line. This is actually the one I use in my truck, and I can tell you firsthand. It makes cold starts much smoother, and my engine runs quieter. Plus, I've seen a slight improvement in fuel economy, which means more miles per tank and fewer painful visits to the gas station. Then there's the Stanadyne Performance Formula, a name trusted by diesel owners for years. And no, this isn't just another random additive. It was developed by a company that actually makes diesel fuel systems, so they know what they're doing. A lot of people worry about whether it's safe for modern high-pressure common rail engines. The answer is yes, and in fact, some manufacturers even recommend it. It also shines in cold weather by preventing diesel from gelling, so you won't wake up one winter morning to find that your truck has turned into a very expensive lawn ornament. Up next is Opti-Lube XPD Diesel Fuel Additive, best known for its superior lubricity. Some might think modern diesel fuel already has enough lubrication, but unfortunately, ultra-low sulfur diesel is basically dry as a desert. Opti-Lube restores that lubricity, reducing wear on fuel system components and helping extend their lifespan. Long-haul truckers love this stuff because it also improves fuel mileage. And if there's one thing better than a well-running engine, it's one that doesn't cost a fortune to keep full. For those who live in places where winter is less of a season and more of an attack on your personal happiness, check out House Treat Diesel Conditioner. Unlike some additives that only work after your fuel has already turned into gel, this one prevents gelling in the first place. That means no more hoping your fuel system magically thaws itself while you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. Truckers swear by House because it keeps fuel flowing even in extreme conditions, and it also adds lubricity, which means your injectors will thank you by not dying prematurely. Next on the list is Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive, a German-engineered product designed to keep injectors spotless. Some people wonder if this is only for older engines or if it works on newer ones too. The good news is, it works on both. Many users with older diesel vehicles say it smooths out rough idling and reduces engine noise. If your diesel sounds like an old tractor when it shouldn't, this might just be the fix. Then we have Hot Shot's Secret Diesel Extreme, which is basically a deep cleaning treatment for your entire fuel system. And if you're asking whether this can actually fix injector stiction, the answer is yes. This is one of the best treatments for that annoying issue, especially in power stroke engines. It breaks down carbon deposits, restores proper fuel flow, and can bring a sluggish diesel back to life. If your truck has been hesitating when you step on the gas or running rough, this might be the reset it needs. And finally, we have Lucas Oil 10003, one of the most well-known fuel additives. Some people ask if it can be used in both diesel and gasoline engines. The answer is yes, which makes it a great choice if you have multiple vehicles. Another thing people wonder is whether it actually improves fuel economy or if that's just a side effect of cleaning the injectors. While cleaner injectors do help, Lucas Oil 10003 also adds lubricity, which reduces internal friction and can contribute to better fuel efficiency. Plus, many users love how it makes engines run quieter and smoother. So, which one should you choose? If you're dealing with injector issues, Hot Shot's Secret Diesel Extreme or Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive are great options. For boosting fuel economy, Opti-Lube XPD or Hot Shot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment are solid picks. If you store diesel for long periods, Sta-bil Diesel Fuel Stabilizer is a must-have. Winter warriors should grab Stanadyne Performance Formula or House Treat Diesel Conditioner. And if you want an all-around performer, Lucas Oil 10003 or Archoil Diesel Fuel System. Kit AR6500 are excellent choices. Whichever one you go with, your diesel engine will thank you. Regular maintenance with a good additive doesn't just keep your fuel system clean, it prevents expensive breakdowns that no one wants to deal with. If you've ever had a clogged injector turn your smooth-running engine into a sputtering mess, you know exactly what I mean. A small investment in the right additive now can save you from a massive repair bill later. Plus, who doesn't want better fuel economy? More miles per gallon means fewer trips to the pump, and let's be real. Every extra mile you squeeze out is money staying in your pocket. And let's not forget the simple fact that a well-maintained diesel just runs better. There's nothing more satisfying than stepping on the gas and feeling instant, smooth power instead of hesitation and sluggish acceleration. Whether you're driving a daily work truck, a high-mileage hauler, or a weekend adventure rig, choosing the right additive can make all the difference. It's a small step that gives big results, and your engine will run quieter, cleaner, and stronger for it. No matter which one you choose, adding a good fuel treatment can extend the life of your engine, improve performance, and save you money in the long run. And let's be honest, if an additive can help you avoid costly repairs or waking up to a frozen solid truck, that's a win. Check out the links in the description to grab the one that suits your needs. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more tips to keep your diesel running strong. See you in the next one.